Hi there, I'm Corey with HubSpot Academy. In this video, we're gonna cover 10 ads training tips. Ready to get started? Let's go. Tip number 1. If you wanna get the most out of your advertising strategy, think about how to use ads as a nurturing tool at every stage of the buyer's journey. We call this journey-based advertising. Tip number 2. Can't invest in ads at each stage in the buyer's journey all at once? No problem. Start out with retargeting ads for people in the decision stage to drive an immediate impact on your investment. Tip number 3. Ads and organic content live together across advertising platforms, and you don't want your ads to stand out like a sore thumb. Show the value of your ads content upfront. Tip number 4. If you want leads, focus your advertising efforts on Facebook and LinkedIn. These platforms have lead ads where your audience can fill out a form all without leaving the platform. Tip number 5. For the brand awareness of a younger audience, advertise on YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok. The ad types available are most effective for brand awareness, and most users are under the age of 25. Tip number 6. If you sell products online, use Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Users on these platforms are known to spend a lot of money online. Tip number 7. People are going to Google to find a solution to their questions. Write search ad copy that provides a solution. Don't pose more questions. Tip number 8. Run search ads for brand and non-brand keywords. This will protect you from qualified traffic being stolen by your competition. Tip number 9. Don't know how much your maximum ad spend should be? Use this equation. Take your lifetime value, multiplied by your average lead to customer rate, multiplied by your average conversion rate. Tip number 10. Allocate your total media budget like this. 70% to efforts that you know will perform, 20% on trying new social media channels, and 10% on new big campaigns. Phew, made it. That's all I've got time for, but if you want to learn more about getting started with digital advertising, check out HubSpot Academy's new course on the fundamentals of digital advertising. I'll see you there.